If you don't know yet how to make a pizza dough, let's make it together. For the beginning, I will use 700 milliliters of water, 1.5 kilo of Caputo flour type 00, 30 grams of salt, 15 milliliters of oil, and 2 grams of fresh yeast. Let's begin. 700 milliliters of water, yeast, 2 grams, and now it's coming the flour. Now we have to mix the dough very well. It's time to add the salt. In the last 2 minutes I will put the oil. Put just a bit of oil on top. A good massage. Leave the dough to rest for 20 minutes. And now we will start to do the dough balls. And here we are, we have 6 dough balls. Put the dough balls in a tray and cover it. Leave it to rest for 2 hours. Check out my next video and I will show you the next steps. See you later!